Hey, this is Jim. It is 5:42 p.m. in San Francisco, California on November the 24th. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hope you guys had fun with your friends and family. I was doing a little bit of research here this afternoon. Wanted to look into the tokenized stocks, the AMC in particular, um, on Binance. And after clicking around a little bit, that led me to CoinMarketCap, and I drilled down through, actually did a search, and was able to find this AMC page. Uh, what you find once you get here is that this is AMC Entertainment Holdings tokenized stock FTX. So little different direction here. Um, and then if you take a look here, it will tell you that these spot tokens are backed by shares of stock custodied by CM Equity. They can be redeemed with CM Equity for the underlying shares if desired. And then if you come down here, it says CM Equity custodies the equities at a third party brokerage firm. CM Equities, not FTX Trading Limited, provides the brokerage services. So I haven't drilled down to this third party brokerage, but let me show you guys a couple things so that you can do a little bit more of a deep dive here. I'll try not to make this too disjointed, but there's a lot going on here. So the first thing I did was I clicked on this ftx.com/tokenized hyphen stocks, and basically after, I don't know, a minute or so, where am I here? Sorry, you guys. After a minute or so, I got just this message: connection timed out. So that was the end of that. I then took a look at the white paper, and this is what you get when you try to take a look at the white paper. So then I decided to take a look at the community drop down AMC discussion. And you can see this is sort of interesting here. Last post, November the 11th, 2022, 3:29 p.m. He's saying, AMC, can someone explain this to me? Is this illustrating? So I would assume he's posted, I can't log in because I haven't signed up for an account here, but I would assume he posted, or she, a chart, a graphic view illustrating AMC squeezing as a tokenized asset after hours. So again, this is November the 11th. If you take a look at, our November 11 headline, obviously, and then if you take a look at the setup, this was this beautiful buy signal that I got in BAM, and we triggered the three trigger cluster in the anemoy terminal and moved up, 68%, I think it was. And, that was it, screaming right up into the close on the 11th, obviously. That also, if you guys will remember, was let me get us back to this other view, you guys. The big surge in a cost to borrow, right? The 10th and the 11th. So, obviously I can't prove anything, but just sort of cause and effect and being around for a couple decades, this to me does seem like that this, whatever was going on that was related to all of this coming unglued thanks to Sammy, caused stress in an area where these guys were hedging or doing their dirty work. So if we if we take a look at this Binance partnership with CM Equity, This is way back in July 23rd, 2020. We already know based on this page that FTX was partnered with CM Equity. We don't know a whole lot about this, third-party brokerage firm. That would be interesting to dive into. And then let me see what else we found here. If you guys want to check out this on Reddit, this is 7 days ago, German DD. And so this was translated by someone over in Germany, translated to English. And they did a little more of a deep dive into this CM Equity relationship to FTX. Again, there's a relationship to Binance as well. When you try to look up that same announcement that we were able to find here, all you're going to find on Binance is this. At least that's all I'm seeing. And I'm shields down here. I'm shields down, so I don't know what's going on there. But that's a blank page. So anyway, there's obviously some interesting stuff to look through. And especially if you guys dive a little deeper into what this person's written. Go sniff around in that area, you guys.